boneyard.
Wow.
This is brutal.
That's rough, dude.
He's hurt.
Yeah, he is.
Nobody's going fast here, my friend.
We're going right. I think we do have someone behind us. I can't tell how far.
Way through it.
It'll break your car apart.
Gotta pick your way through it.
You're doing good, brother. You're doing good. We're going to have a left coming.
I'll be normal right here, baby.
Right? You're going to want to stay right. And a sweeping left. Oh, yeah, baby. Going left. Nice pass. This is still straight.
Jason, do you read me?
Slate right.
Oh, man, what was that?
Big rock.
What's that?
No, actually you hit it.
Did it hit the right front?
Right front. Left.
Not in my game right now. I got feeling it.
Sorry, I kind of fell off. Go left.
1211, Jason, do you read me?
Yeah, I copy.
Stay straight. We're going to go a little right
They
and
said
then
they're
left.
doing okay and to stay put for right now.
Trying. No, I turned it off.
Okay. Road crossing.
Yeah.
It's kind of hard to see, huh?
I can't see shit.
Roger that. I've actually sat in that seat now.
Up.
I know what it's like.
Yeah, because it's like I want to give you the best information I can, but it's like I can't. I can't see anything. Can't read the chips. I'm getting bounced left.
You're fine, man. You're doing fine. Tell me what you know. That's all I get. That's what we work with.
This is gonna keep going right.
You gotta remember, I've run a lot of these courses before, so I'm actually on board with that. So even if you miss something, I'll probably remember. As long as you're calling out the big pictures.
That's what I'm working on.
Yeah. I'm doing fine, man.
So where are we at?
Coming towards pit B, Night Ranch Road. It's right down there.
I thought we went through Pit B.
No, that was pit A.
Oh,
That's road stop. It's pit A. That's the road stride I get.
this is straight.
Yeah, just couldn't see it.
Yeah, neither can I, brother. Is this a stop check?
It's a road crossing into pit B, I believe.
Oh. Watch whatever this Oh, yeah. There's that left. We got a left coming.
Look, we got bushes coming too.
Yeah.
Can't see it.
Neither can I. Follow that light.
Fence crossing up here.